Hello! Wow, I really need a haircut. Yeah, serious. Anyway, another chapter. It's the 6th chapter of the sourdough starter making. I'm starting to feel that this sourdough starter is not gonna be ready in the 8 days that it potentially can be ready. But it depends on the condition, but that's normal. So you might have a completely different situation. Yours might be much better than this one. But I will tell you what you should do, which is basically going to be just keep going with this refreshment kind of day by day. We put it in a bigger jar. The bubbles, not so much. No, this is not completely not ready yet. But it will be, it's just a matter of being patient. Do let me know how is yours doing. Let's go on and do another step, another refreshment. For today I have here 25 grams water and here I have 65 grams flour. How is it going? It has a crust. So as I was saying, I think that the air here is pretty dry and this didn't help the evolution. But still, if I remove a little bit of the crust, there are actually some bubbles. I am hopeful that this can develop. But first of all, let's add, as usual, the water. The water will remove the acidity. So we cover it in water. Let's press it down. And start stirring. Also today hydration is going to be pretty low. And then tomorrow for the last step we're going to increase the hydration a lot. And from then on, according to what's the level of readiness, you can basically be ready for bread making. Or you will have to go on and do more refreshments. So now I'm stirring this and I'm gonna transfer it to a separate bowl so we can add the flour there. So I can add the flour and then I'm gonna drop it on the counter and can knead it a little bit with our hands. And down it goes. It's also interesting, when you start creating it at the beginning, there's all kind of organisms in the air that are captured, and some of them might reproduce initially, but then they soon die. They're not the ones that actually thrive and really love flour. So sometimes, like during the first couple of days, you have a lot of bubbles. It seems like it's almost ready already, but actually it's not. It's actually other creatures that you're not interested in. But the good thing is that they select themselves, so the ones that you don't want are gonna just go away. So if it really stinks badly, it's not just acidic but has a seriously rotten smell, it could be that you have something in the flour or there is some contamination. In that case, you probably want to start over. Okay. Now I'll add the flour. Let's just start by mixing it. Okay, let's do some kneading of this guy. Okay. Okay, as you can see, I'm collecting all the beads. The counter is pretty clean now. Okay, so that's done. Gonna stick it and poof. Now we're just going to close it with our usual. Right, so this is done. And we're gonna wait again 24 hours. Tomorrow is gonna be a different video. The last one, possibly, probably. At least for this series. See you in 24 hours. Bye.